Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will cover the further values for RTVMBRD command. So in order to explain the same, I'm taking the program in edit mode. So as usual, firstly we are declaring four variables here, and the data type or the length of these variable you can get from the command itself. So just write RTVMBRD, then press F4. Now here, once you press F4, it will provide you the screen where you can pass all those required variables which you want to retrieve from the member. Okay, so this is the screen. So here we will pass the file name for which we want to retrieve the member. Second one is the library where this member resides, and third one is the default reference member, which is star first. So these are the values that we have already covered in previous session. So I'm doing page down. So today we are going to cover these four values. So let's see one by one what all details we can get from here. So doing page F1 here on this field. So once you press F4, it will provide you the information like specifies the name of a variable used to retrieve the number of data file members for this logical file member. In CL program, this should be a 2-position decimal variable. If the member is a physical file member, a value of 0 is written. Second value is use date. If I do page 1 F1, then it will provide specifies the name of a variable used to return the member last used century and date. In CL program, this should be a 7-character variable. The format is CYYMMDD, where C is century, Y is year, M is month, and D is day. Third value is use count. If I do F1, so it is mentioned here, specify the name of a serial variable that is used to return the number of days member has been used. In CL program, this should be a 5-decimal variable. If the member does not have the last used date, 0 is returned. And the last one is the RESET date. If I do F1, it is mentioned here, specify the name of a variable that is used to return the century and date the day's use count was last reset to 0. In CL program, this should be a 7-character variable. The format is CYYMMDD, where C is century, Y is year, M is month, and D is day. If the days use count has not been reset, blanks are returned. Okay, so these are the values that we have passed here, and by in this session we have covered all those values for the RTVMBRD command. So let's see what output we are getting. So once this command got executed, we will get the output in the respective variables, and then we are printing it. So for printing, I'm using sndbgmsg command, and here I'm passing the variable. So those variable which are of decimal type, we need to convert it to character. So I'm using %char built function here, and those who are already of type character, then we can pass it directly. So you just write sndbgmsg and then pass the variable. Likewise, I'm printing the other two values also. So it's time to compile it and see the output. So it is being saved. Yeah, now it is saved. Now we'll compile it, and after compilation we will call it and we'll see what output we're getting for this. It is compiled successfully. Now I'm calling it. So first output is 0, second is date, third one is 20, and fourth one is blank. Okay, so this is how we can utilize RTVMBRD command in order to retrieve the member description. So by this session we have covered all those possible values for the RTVMBRD command, and from the next session we will discuss few more things. So I hope this session is clear to all of you, and let's see the further topics in the upcoming sessions. So I thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.